just wanted to invite you all to come along with me, and I want to show you what I've been using lately to clean my face. Now, for me, it's been working. I've been having a lot of problems with whiteheads lately, and they're embarrassing. They're embarrassing as freak. Like, they come up in this area, and it makes my face look ashy, like I have a beard. And I've been trying all these little products, and face peel here, face mask here, and yes, it's leaving my skin feeling soft, but it's not really taking away that feeling. So I've been using these Aveeno pads lately. They have these. I have the clear complexion. They also have what's the other ones? Radiant something. I don't know. But my nephew, he has really bad acne, and he started using the other kind, and he said that it was working good for him. And I was like, you know what? Let me give it a try. So I went in there and I saw clear complexion. They were out of the other ones, but I'm like, you know what? A pad is a pad. What I like about them is one side of the pad has like a rough side to it, and the other one is smooth. So usually when I start, I'll start off with the rough side. The smooth side, I'm sorry. Just to kind of get some of the foam into my skin. You'll see that whenever I'm actually doing my face, but I actually go on there with the soft side first, and then I go back and I let that, the rough side, it's not rough like it's going to tear up your skin, but you can feel, the bristles in it, and I kind of just pick up all the dirt with that dirt, dead skin. It's cold outside. My skin, like my nose, it shaves, like, and it looks crusty, like ashy. So, I'm trying to work on my skin. But come along. Let's go ahead and do this. Hope you guys enjoy. Try it. Hopefully it'll work for somebody else. I'm just posting because I know it worked for me, and I couldn't find anything else to work for me except this. So I'm hoping I can help somebody out. Okay, let's go. Okay, so right now I'm just gonna show you the products I'm using. These are the pads again. I also make sure that I have a all white washcloth, just because I like to wipe over my face after I'm done, just to, see if I got any dirt to pick up out, which I usually do. Excuse me right now, I'm just trying to pin back this hair. Which is not even gonna hold anyway, so. And also, excuse my mouth being open because I am sick. Right here I'm showing you the pad, showing the soft side, and the side that I said had the bristles on it, the kind of rough side. That's the soft side again. Okay, so I just start off with one side. Like I said before, I usually start off with the soft side. And I alternate. You can pick whatever side works best for you if you decide to try it. And I just make sure that I get it all in my skin. And also, whenever you're rubbing the pad on your face, you want to make sure that you are alternating which corner of the pad that you're using. That just helps keep from putting dirt that you just wiped out right back into your face, and you don't want to do that. So make sure that as you're going in and cleaning your face with the pad, that you're also rotating, so that way you're not putting that same dirty spot of the pad right back on your skin. And as you can see by my hand, the more you rub in, the more foamy it gets. Gets a little messy, not too messy, but the end results for me have been worth the little bit of mess that's on my fingers. Right now I'm just switching the pad, and I'm going in with the other side, to making sure that I'm scrubbing and getting as much dirt up as I possibly can. And as I said before, the bottom of my face and under my nose, that's the spot that I really get those whiteheads out, have me looking like, kind of like I do with the foam on my face, like I have a beard. That's just me being goofy. Right now I'm this, trying to get this hair together. And it's still not going to stay after this either. After I'm done with all of that, I kind of wet the whitewash cloth with a little warm water. And as you can see now, I'm just going in and rubbing off the foam that's left on there. You know, just going back and, you know, cleaning up the mess. And, you know, usually after I, you know, finish, which is one of the reasons why I like to do it with the whitewash cloth, because if I'm picking up any extra dirt with, you know, wiping my face afterwards, I can kind of see, you know, the process or the progress, rather on the whitewash cloth versus using a colored one. And some people, you can use warm water, cold water. I prefer warm water on my face afterwards. And as you can see, this is, you know, how my skin is looking. It feels really smooth. Very good. And I hope this works for you guys.